Hi guys, last week for the higher guys we were looking at agility. We started off by gathering data on our agility, and to do that we used the Illinois agility text. There's a video about that, so I'm not going to go over this too much because you can refer back to the previous video in order to understand what we were going over there. When you watch that video you will see kind of aerial footage from a drone of one of our higher pupils running around the Illinois agility course, and that, again, having a visual thing to look at will jog your memory back to when we actually complete the test, which I think will hopefully help you. We today are looking at how we improve agility. So how do we use approaches to develop our agility? And the method of training that we used was circuit training. So in this video you're going to see 3 different kind of circuits or stations that we could set up. We carried that out as a class, and the purpose of this video is just to show you those agility videos so that when you look at them again, having the visual thing, it jogs your memory back to what we actually did. And it means that when you come to your exam and you're asked about agility, if you are asked about that and approaches to developing it, then you can answer on that. So I hope this video helps, and the first of the videos should appear now.
Get set, go!
So in this video here we have 2 of our pupils doing the slalom. So they have to go up and zigzag all the way to the top and then zigzag all the way back, and the first one across the line is the winner.
1, go!
In this one we run backwards and
Right.
one person shouts left or right. At that point you turn that direction and sprint
3,
to the end.
2,
Here it is
1,
again.
go!
So they shout the direction
Left.
and in a burst of pace change the direction to the end of the line.
Take your marks, get set, go!
This one here is the T-run, so we run out to the middle, side step to the very left, outside to the very right of the T, back to the middle and then backwards running. We always face forwards during this one. Our 4th and final station which we did for agility was the agility ladder. So again, similar to the rest, we set up 2 side by side, and there was a number of options for foot patterns which we could do to improve our agility, and the idea of it was to change direction again as fast as possible to make it to the very end of the ladder. The very last thing that I wanted to say before ending this video was that you might have noticed that every station which we included in our circuit training allowed opportunity for us to race against one other person. The reason being for this is that by adding in a wee bit of pressure, a wee bit of competition, it makes us work harder. We probably wouldn't work quite as hard or move as quick as we are capable of if we didn't have that other person pushing us. So that was a training tool which we used to keep it kind of interesting, to keep us motivated, and to ensure that we got the very best out of our training that we possibly could. Thank you, and I hope that today's video has helped you out.